Hello everyone. You are once again welcome to Alveoly E-learning. We are going to look at one of the endocrine gland called the pancreas and its condition. The pancreas is both an exocrine and an endocrine gland, but today we are going to look at the endocrine aspect of it, as well as how diabetes mellitus occurs. The endocrine part of the pancreas releases a hormone called insulin that helps to regulate our glucose sugar level. The part of the pancreas that helps to produce the hormones is known as islets of Langerhans, discovered in 1869 by German pathological anatomist Paul Langerhans. That part of the pancreas contains 3 different cells, which are 1. Alpha cells that produces glucagon. 2. Beta cells that produces insulin. 3. Delta cells that produces somatostatin. Please don't forget the above. They often ask in objectives. So make sure you have in memory the cells that is alpha, beta and delta, and the types of hormones they produce. Our focus is going to be insulin. The function of insulin is that anytime our glucose level is getting higher than normal, it does the following to reduce it to normal. 1. It picks up the insulin and fix them into the cells to combine with oxygen to generate energy. 2. It stores the glucose in the liver in a form of glycogen. Hence, when there is low insulin level, the glucose cannot be broken down or metabolized to release energy, leading to a lot of glucose accumulation in the blood, which is termed as diabetes mellitus, or the amount they are producing is not enough, or the cells are not responding to the presence of the insulin. Hence, in the diabetics, what happens is that the pancreas is either not producing insulin at all. The word diabetes means to go through something, which explains the act of excessive urine passing through or out by diabetic patients. So we are going to have a look at diabetes mellitus in our next lessons. Watch out for more simple tuition on Alveoly E-learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simple tutorials. Alveoly E-learning, bringing simple tuition to your doorsteps. Kindly follow our next tutorials on diabetes mellitus and all you need to know on diabetes mellitus for your nursing exams. Contact +23354955611 on WhatsApp for further tuition and explanation on previous tutorials.